doing today, guys? EK Trader here. Today is May 28th, 2010 at 8:05 a.m. and I'm about to enter this particular trade here. I just want to show you guys what I'm doing and how I'm entering the trade. What I have up is a 5-minute chart of the E-mini S&P 500 index. And as you can see, pretty much all morning, right now the futures are up. No, not up a lot, but up slightly. Right now the S&P is at 1105.50. And we've been on a pretty steady uptrend. And basically what I try to do in all of my trading is I try to recognize little zones like this. Okay, where the market is in an uptrend, it breaks out and then starts to create another zone here. Okay, that's the type of situation that I look for. I consider this just professional buying and selling back and forth, and just basically waiting for the next move. I actually made a couple bucks here on a trade. And as you can see, the market kind of broke the channel a little bit. I kind of thought for a minute we were heading down. I wasn't in a trade at the time, and then the next thing you know, you see this. Two up candles, widespread. Let me zoom that up a little bit. I got this two widespread up candles, and the second one is on high volume. And the way I look at that, I consider this a deliberate move to be bullish. Okay, because you notice 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes later, it hasn't necessarily tanked all the way down. It went up and now it's creating a new zone or a new base. So in my opinion, this is a deliberate bullish move. So what I'm looking for, the market broke out. I'm looking for the market to pull back, pick up my order here at what price is that? 1104.25, and I'm expecting a nice move here, at least maybe 3 or 4 points, if not more. Worst case scenario, if all else fails and for some reason demand overwhelms supply at this level, I have my stop down here just above 1102 at 1102.25. So I'm basically risking 2 points, which is the majority of the spread of the channel. Okay, I know if it dips below this level, I mean, it could dip below this level and bounce back, but chances are if it dips below this level and starts to head lower, it's if it breaks this channel on a sustained move, it's probably gonna just continue to head lower. So that's it. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna bring you guys back hopefully as I'm about to close it out for a profit. Thanks. Okay guys, it's 9:12 a.m. I'm back. As you can see, I guess this trade is gonna go into the column of greatest misses. The market, it caught my trade. I think it went up a tick or two, but then as you can see, it just went down and went down into the zone and actually passed the zone here. So that just wasn't a good trade. A couple of different things that I could have done better on this trade, at least in my opinion, that I'm going to share with you. The fact that it dipped down below the original zone here should have gave me an indication that there's some possible weakness there. Even though there was a really strong move here, I probably should have had my order towards this break right here instead of here. I think I had my order a little too high. Should have had the order here, but the market went down, and then this candle right here on high volume moving down should have gave me my first indication to possibly just exit the trade. And then by this candle also closing down, even though not as wide of a spread as this one, but it still closed down, that should have gave me an indication right then. I probably should have just went ahead and stopped myself out for a smaller loss. but instead the full stop got hit, so I lost a few bucks on that one. Um, After this break, I was expecting that it might go down, so I ended up taking a short here because, as you can see, it had a tough time finding demand here. It kept running into this area, back into this zone, and falling down. So I took a trade here, was able to recoup a little bit of the loss. So no big deal. It's just all part of trading. Um, so that's it. Just kind of wanted to show that to you. It looks like the bullish sentiment is trying to start back. Um, we have high volume here on a hammer, which is always positive. The market's dipping down into this demand area here, and it seems to look like it's maybe it wants to retest the top. But I don't think I'm going to take this trade right now. As far as I'm concerned, it's a little bit too iffy. So I'm gonna sit back, hold tight, and see if I can find another trade later. Anyway, that's it. Just wanted to share that with you. EK Trader, Informed Trades Pro. Once again, thanks for watching.